Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Hleziphi Mtshizana. I'm the founder and CEO of InPursit Renewable Energy. We are based in Rivonia, but work around South Africa. We started the business in 2017 and we've been in business ever since. We started the business because we are solving for the impact of power outages. Power outages including, the impact of losing a transformer, the impact of cable theft. We are also solving for load shedding and load reduction and everything in between. Yeah. So we have a variety of basket of solutions when it comes to solutions for mitigating against power outages. So particularly for InPursit, there are 4 categories. We first provide technical advisory services for the development of projects or supporting those who want to develop their own energy solutions. So InPursit offers a basket range of services. We provide technical advisory. We then also provide 10 key EPC, which is engineering, procurement, and construction. We then also support community development services that need technical support by engineers and experts in the field. And lately, we are providing the training of young people in our communities to bring more young people into the renewable energy space with skills in energy efficiency as well as then in solar energy. You must definitely choose us. InPursit was founded by a girl from Hleziphi, a township. InPursit is a small business that understands what other small businesses have as challenges in terms of what they can afford and the impact of energy solutions. We also deal with big business. We have worked in corporate ourselves, and so we understand the impact of power outages for big business as well. Choose us because we've been in the business for over 7 years, now going into 10 years in the next 3 years. But in addition to that, the team at InPursit combined has experience of over 30 years in the energy space and the built environment. And so when you come to us, you can be assured that you get a tailored solution that is crafted in understanding your needs by energy professionals that have vast energy experience. You can contact us via WhatsApp or obviously direct calling and SMSs if you still use that platform. Our number is 081 442 6710. We are also available on social media. You can find us on LinkedIn as InPursit Renewable Energy. You can find us as well as InPursit Renewable Energy across Facebook, Instagram, yes, as well as TikTok. Do get in touch with us, and maybe you can also make an appointment to come and see us at our offices in Rivonia. If you tend to lose these details, do reach out to our websites, which is www.inpursuitafrica.co.za. It will be great to hear from you. Hi, my name is Hleziphi from InPursit Renewable Energy. We love Township Entrepreneurs.